and this 2 can be taken as 11 और 9 फिर से वोल्टेज सोर्स में कन्वर्ट कर दो, so again you will find single loop. So that way keep on converting. Okay, did you get your doubt solved?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, students have joined
Thank
back.
you.
Chalo, let me see. Students are joining back again. So next is source conversion. Sorry, star delta transformation. This is star to delta. This is called as star to delta transformation. Let me see if students are back. I think students can join without my permission because I didn't log out.
मैम आवाज नहीं आती।
Okay, welcome back. Shall we start now? Chalo, sharing the screen. Let us begin. So, this is this I want to start, which is star to delta. Okay. This as I told you, this is a star which has this is a star and this is a star which has resistances R1, R2 and R3. And these are the resistances which are in delta RA, RB and RC. Now you can remember the formula as it is because there is no point of doing any derivation. If you want to find the resistance RA, where is RA connected? There is a derivation also. Let me give a brief derivation. Derivation. थोड़ा derivation ही बता देती हूँ. Okay. We want this is a star given, and I want to find this resistance. Okay, I call this resistance. This resistance is RC. This resistance is RB, and this resistance is RA. See these dotted lines RA. This is RA. This is RC, and this is RB. Now we want to convert star to delta. What I name this point as A, this is B, and this is C. What is the resistance between A and B? If I take a star, resistance between A and B, if I take a star, this is a star, no? This is a star, and this point is A, this point is B, and this point is C. This is R1, this is R2, and this is R3. If I take a star, okay, what is the resistance between A and B? See, third resistance का कोई value नहीं है because it is lying open. So what is the resistance between A and B? Is it R1 plus R2 only? Because this is just hanging in the air. This has no meaning. So what resistance is between A and B? This is R1 plus R2. That is when you take a star. But when you take the delta, see, this is a delta. This is A, this is B, this is C. ठीक है ना? A, B and C. This resistance is RC, this resistance is RB and this resistance is RA. Now what is the resistance between A and B? If you take a delta, ये हमने लिया है star And if I take a delta, what is the resistance between A and B? A and B. Don't you find RA and RB, A and RB are in series, in parallel with RC? Resistance between A and B. A to B में जाना है. So this is one path A to B to RC. Second is RB and RA. So we find that RC is in parallel with RA plus RB. Is it? Are we clearly? RC is in parallel with RA plus RB. Or we can set one equation as R1 plus R2 is equal to these two in parallel. So this is RC, RA plus RB divided by RC plus RA plus RB. Is it? This is when you take a star, and when this is when you take the delta. This is the resistance between A and B. Similarly, you can take the resistance between B and C. What is the resistance between B and C? देखते हैं. What is the resistance between B and C? This time R1 is in the air, so this is R2 plus R3, and this is equal to BC, B and C. So you will find RA is in parallel with RB plus RC. This is RA plus RB plus RC. Similarly, you will find the resistance between CA. What is CA? CA. This time R2 will be left. So this is R3 plus R. This is equal to CA. This is C and this is A. So this is RB, RA, RC. I'm not leaving the cycle. ABC, BCA, RC plus RA. So is the step clear? R1 plus R2, this is the resistance between A and B. R2 plus R3, this is the resistance between B and C. And R3 plus RA, this is the resistance between C and A. And this left side are for star and right side are for delta. Using these star and delta, now if you simplify, अब हमें क्या करना है? इसको simplify करना है. This eraser doesn't work. पूरा गया. Whatever I wrote, this full delete हो गया. कोई बात नहीं. चलो. So R1 plus R2, this is equal to R1 plus R2, this is equal to AB. No? This is A, this is B, and this is C. This is A, this is B, and this is C. So this is RC, RA plus RB divided by RC plus RA plus RB. Similarly, R2 plus R3, this is equal to 2 plus 3. R2 plus R3, that is BC. What is between BC? This is RA, RB plus RC divided by RA plus RB plus RC. Similarly, R3 plus RA. This is equal to 3A. 3 and 1. 3 and 1 means AC. This is RC, RA plus RB divided by RC plus RA plus RB. ये तीन equations हमको मिले. This is, I'll call it equation 1, and this is equation 2, and this is equation 3. Okay, important question. अभी हमें क्या करना है? Find star delta. Star to delta. मतलब मेरा right left side से delta होंगे ना. Star to delta. I have to find RA, I have to find RB, and I have to find RC. Is it? Star to delta. So these are the delta branches, RA, RB, RC. You have 1, 2, and 3. If you take equation 1 plus equation 2 plus equation 3, तीनों equation को solve, add करो. If you add all the equations, what you get? R1 plus R2 plus R3 twice. Left hand side मैंने सबके add कर दिए. 1 plus 2 plus 3. So we get 2R1 plus R2 plus R3. Right hand side when we add, this is RCRA. This is RCRA. So दो बार RCRA मिला न्यूमरेटर में. RCRB, RCRB, RARB and RARB, and this is कहीं तो गलती हुआ है तो हमको सारी चीजें डबल मिलेंगी, ये रिपीट हो गया. So we get 2 RARB plus RBRC plus RCRA divided by RA plus RB plus RC, and I call this as equation number 4. 2 and 2 cancels. Okay, now you need RA. मुझे क्या चाहिए? RA चाहिए. So if you have, चलो हम देखते हैं हमें क्या मिलता है. Because this is not necessary कि हमको RA मिलेगा, RB मिलेगा. Whatever is possible, we will find first. If you take equation 4 minus 1, ठीक है? मैं करती हूँ पहले 4 minus 1. If you take 4 minus 1, what you get? What is 4? R1 plus R2 plus R3. And what is 1? R1 plus R2. So R1 plus R2 cancels. We are left with R3. R3 is equal to right hand side में 4 minus 1 RA RB plus RB RC plus RC RA, or this is RA RC RA and RC RB. So what is left? RA RB divided by RA plus RB plus RC. एक ये क्वेश्चन में. Okay, now tell me, is it star to delta or delta to star? R3 निकाल रहे हैं हम लोग. We are finding R3 and we are using RA RB RC. So this is the equation for delta to star. ये delta है ना? This is delta and this is a star. This is a derivation part. Similarly, if you want to remember, if you want to find another way out, tell me what is R1. What is R1? अभी इसकी एक सिमेट्री देखें. What is R1, R2, R3? This is delta. ये डेल्टा है ना, और ये जो मैंने अंदर निकाला है ये स्टार है. This is R1, this is R2 and this is R3. You want to find R3. देखो हमें ये निकालना है. Okay, what values are given? We want to find R3. R3, R1 plus R2. This is equal to RC. एक मिनट, हमने क्या किया, ये RB है. RC, RA plus RB. R1 plus R2 is equal to RC, RA plus RB. So 4 minus this. 4 minus this is R3. Where is R3? ये देखो, ये निकालना है. ये B है. हाँ, C नहीं है. इसको देखो करेक्ट कर लो. इसमें बाई चांस उसको ऐसा लग रहा है कि जैसे ये C है. ये C नहीं है, ये पॉइंट B है. है ना? This point is A, this point is B, and this point is C. This point is C. So what I want to find? R3. Where is R3? This is R3. R3 is equal to हाँ, मुझे बता सकते हो कि व्हाट इज द सिमेट्री? दिस इज R3, R3, R3 इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? RA RB। देखो R3 उसके बीच का रेजिस्टेंस है ना, R3 इज इक्वल टू RA RB, सिमेट्री RA RB divided by RA plus RB plus R3. Similarly, if you want to find R1, so R1 क्या होगा? R1 will be, yes, this is RB into RC divided by RA plus RB plus RC. Similarly, what will be R2? R2 क्या है? ये जो बीच का रेजिस्टेंस है ना, सी द एडजेसेंट रेजिस्टेंसेस, अगर ये निकालना है तो RA RC, RA RC अपॉन RA प्लस RB प्लस RC, ठीक है। सो इफ any delta is given, you want to find this resistance, say 5, 4 and 3. What about this resistance? What about this one? 5 into 4 divided by 5 plus 4 plus 3. What about this resistance? What about this one? 5 into 3 divided by 5 plus 4 plus 3. What about this resistance? 4 into 3 divided by 4 plus 3 plus 5. So you understood how to convert any delta to star. You just have to remember by trick. क्योंकि फॉर्मूला तो बहुत मुश्किल है याद रखना, कहाँ पे ए लेना है, कहाँ पे बी लेना है. Just get this the other way around. तो अभी याद हो गया एक फॉर्मूला? हाँ, जल्दी से याद कर लो. अगर डेल्टा टू स्टार करना है तो क्या बनाना है? अभी मुझे डेल्टा दिया है, okay, 6, 4 and 5. I want to convert this into a star. What about this resistance? 6 into 4 divided by 6 plus 4 plus 5. What about this resistance? 6 into 5 divided by 6 plus, denominator same होगा. What about this resistance? 4 into 5 divided by 4 plus 5 plus 6. I want to go in other way around. अभी मुझे करना है दोबारा दूसरा डायरेक्शन से. अभी मैं स्टार देती हूँ और डेल्टा में कन्वर्ट करती हूँ. Take a star and convert this into a delta. Okay. R1, R2 and R3. Convert this into a delta. If I have a star and I want to make a delta, so देखो हमें स्टार दिया है, स्टार में क्या दिया है? R1, R2, R3 and this is RB, this is RC and this is RD. I want to convert star. ये form line है ना, this is given and this dotted line है, we have to find out. So we want to find, I'll again tell you the trick. RB, RA निकालेंगे, ये निकालना है. Okay. अभी इसमें क्या करना है? We want to find this one. अभी इसको निकालने में तो कोई टचिंग है ही नहीं, तो अभी इसमें क्या करना है? हमें ये निकालना है. और क्या क्या दिया है? R1, R2, R3 गिवन है. तो इसमें क्या करो, जो सबसे दूर की रेजिस्टेंस है, सबसे दूर का रेजिस्टेंस इज R1, इसको डिनोमिनेटर. पहले हमने क्या किया था? ये डेल्टा दिया था एंड वी वर फाइंडिंग स्टार. पहले हमने क्या किया था, डेल्टा दिया था एंड वी वर फाइंडिंग स्टार. सो व्हेन यू वांटेड टू फाइंड दिस वन, व्हाट वी वर पुटिंग, सपोज यू वांट टू फाइंड R2, तो हम क्या कर रहे थे, वी वर पुटिंग RA RC divided by RA plus RB plus RC. What we were doing, इसको जो टच करने वाली ब्रांचेस थी, तो ब्रांचेस which were touching to this we were putting in numerator, है ना. What is touching, RA RC, so we were putting in numerator. अब इसमें क्या करना है, उसका उल्टा करना है. When you are putting touching branches in numerator, touching branches in numerator, मुझे इसका उल्टा बताओ. टचिंग ब्रांचेस इन न्यूमरेटर, सो व्हाट इज द ऑपोजिट ऑफ दिस, नेगेटिव फॉर्म जिसको बोलते हैं, इसका ऑपोजिट, नॉन टचिंग ब्रांचेस इन डिनोमिनेटर, इज इट. सो टचिंग ब्रांचेस वी आर टेकिंग इन न्यूमरेटर एंड नॉन टचिंग ब्रांचेस वी विल टेक इन डिनोमिनेटर. अभी मुझे बता दो कि इसकी नॉन टचिंग ब्रांच क्या है, आर ए. कौन सी ब्रांच है जो आर ए को टच नहीं कर रही है, डेफिनेटली आर, ये तो दोनों टच कर रही हैं. सो दिस इज R1. R1 विल कम इन डिनोमिनेटर. न्यूमरेटर में फिर मल्टीप्लिकेशन आएगा, क्योंकि डायमेंशनली न्यूमरेटर हैज टू बी ओम स्क्वायर. सो R3 एंड R3. जल्दी से बताओ RB, व्हाट इज RB, देयर इज ये निकालना है RB. व्हाट अबाउट दिस RB, R2 नीचे रख दो, R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R. What about RC? Jaldi, RC, where is RC? Here. What about this RC? R. Okay, so this is star to delta and delta to star. जल्दी इस न्यूमेरिकल को करेंगे. So if you want to copy in your notebook, you can. Please copy this in your notebook. जल्दी से कॉपी करो अपने नोटबुक में.
Madam,
Okay.
please show the last
It is not
problem.
looking as if this. Huh?
Please show the last
Okay,
problem.
okay. Last. Okay, what you said?
Last one problem you solved now.
This one. This one.
No, before that.
This one. This is a numerical derivation. I'm using it in numerical. चलो हम numerical. Let's look on numerical. हाँ, ये करते हैं. ठीक है. Numerical derivation will not be asked. Find the resistance between x and y. इसमें we are not able to find out which is star and which is delta and which is in series or which is in parallel. Let us redraw. Can we redraw? See, x. Okay. And then we say this is W. X and W, 10 ohm resistance. Okay. Yeah, this we have taken. X and Z, I will take as if it's X and Z, 10. I want to make it something like star delta type. So I'll take this slanting. Star delta में slanting होती है. Then W and Z, 45. Is it? Then W and Y. This is your W and Y, 20. When I draw, I put a line. Then, this is W and Y, 20. This is, and this Y and Z. Find the resistance between X and Y. Now tell me, is it the same diagram which I have drawn, which looks like star or delta? Here we are not able to find out which is star and which is delta. But when we redraw X, W, Y, Z, Y, W, Y, Y, whatever you say, but it is looking like this. If I say find the resistance between X and Y in this diagram, now don't you find this is easy to find the resistance between X and Y just by assuming some star or some delta. So which star or which delta you want to find? There is no constraint, any star or any delta you can start with your numerical. So which one shall I start? Shall we start now? Also, which one you want me to start? Which point you want to consider? You give me the option that which point we should take. Okay, I want to start with can we take this as start point? Can I take this as a start point? I'm not able to select in this different color. Option. Okay. Which point? We can take this as a start point. I'm marking with O as a start because this seems to be very comfortable. So, which is a start point we can take? This is O. Let's say you W the hour. So, we can take it as W, X, W, Y, and W, Z. Is it a star? W is a start point, which seems to be a little simple. W, X, W, Y, and W, Z. This star I want to convert into a delta. It's convert delta. Delta में convert करने के लिए I told you ना, leave the point. W को छोड़ दो. So branches are X, Y, Y, Z, and ZX. W छोड़ दो. So which are the branches which are from star to delta? Star are WX, WY, and WZ. And which are the delta branches which we get? यहाँ से ही देख लो. X, Y, YZ, and ZX. So when I redraw this diagram, my XW, YW, and WZ, WX, WY, WZ will be going away. And we will get 3 new branches. One is XY. One we get, see, XY, which is new after converting from star to delta. Then second is XY ho gaya, YZ, this one. And third is ZX. Is it? I'm losing this branch, and this branch, and gaining 3 new branches. Which are 3 new branches? XY, YZ, and ZX. So what the diagram looks like? X will remain as it is. XZ, which is already 10, and this I have got after conversion. I'll calculate. This 20, which is already there, and this we have got after conversion. Then something here, which is XY, and find the resistance between X and Y. Is it? We are losing these 3. और इसके बदले में हमको क्या मिल रहा है? We are getting this one, we are getting this one, and we are getting this one. So if I tell you the value of this, which is R1, if this is values are R2 and this values R3. If I tell you the calculation of R1, R2 and R3, can you find the resistance between X and Y? Yes. 10 and R1 will be in parallel. 20 and R2 will be in parallel. Then this combination and this combination will be in series. Then this combination and R3 will be in parallel. And that is the resistance between X and Y. Is it? Now the whole theory is how to find R1, R2 and R3. I don't know कि रेस अगर गायब ही हो गया तो चल यहाँ पे लेते हैं. So what is this? What is this dotted lines? Is it conversion of star to delta? Which star? 45, 10 and 20. Is it? If I draw separate W, Z, X and Y. Can you tell me this resistance which is R1? Can you tell me this resistance which is R2? And can you tell me this resistance which is R3? Can you calculate for R1? R1 बता सकते हैं? अगर नहीं आ रहा है तो स्टार ही बना लो परफेक्ट. This you want to find. So इसके सबसे दूर की ब्रांच क्या है? 20. Then it is 10 into 20 plus 20 into 45 plus 45 into 10. What is R2? It is R2. Yeah, means this. What is this R2? इसको टचिंग क्या है? 45 and 20. Non touching क्या है? 10. So 10 will go there in denominator and numerator will remain same. 10 into 20, 20 into 45 plus 45 into 10. Similarly, R3. What is this R3? Numerator will be same and denominator is 45. So this is R1, R2, R3 calculation. R1 and 10 will be in parallel. R2 and 10, 20 will be in parallel. Then this combination and this combination will be in series. Then this combination and R3 is in parallel. That is the resistance between X and Y. Let us try the second numerical. Second वाला try करो. Second वाला देखो. Can we try this second one? हाँ, इसमें देखो. Determine the resistance in ohm between the point A and B, equivalent resistance of the circuit A and B. This is A and this is B. ये देखो A and B. Circuit लग ही नहीं रहा है कि स्टार है. तो A हम बना देते हैं इसको. Slanting बना देंगे तो डेल्टा बन जाएगा. Then this one and अब हो गया. Now can you find each resistance is 3, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1 and 3. Now can you find resistance between A and B in this diagram? सोचो. Resistance between A and B. ये स्टार है ना, और ये भी एक स्टार डेल्टा है, ये डेल्टा है, ये डेल्टा है, इसको स्टार में कन्वर्ट कर लो। कन्वर्ट दिस डेल्टा टू स्टार, कन्वर्ट दिस डेल्टा टू स्टार, इज इट? ये जो रेड लाइंस है ये आफ्टर कन्वर्जन है। व्हेन यू कन्वर्ट दिस डेल्टा टू स्टार, व्हाट अबाउट दिस ब्रांच, व्हाट अबाउट दिस ब्रांच? 3 into 1 divided by 3 plus 1 plus 2. What about this branch? 3 into 2 divided by 3 plus 2 plus 1. What about this branch? 1 into 2 divided by 3 plus 1 plus 2. So what about this branch? 3 upon 6. What about this branch? Uh, 6 upon 6. What about this branch? 2 upon 6. So this is 3 upon 6. This is कितना 6 upon 6, and this is 2 upon 6, is it? Then 2, this is 2, then what about this branch? 2 into 1, 1 upon 6, 2 upon 6, this is 2 upon 6. What about this branch? 6 upon 6, yeah, 6 upon 6. What about this branch? 3 upon 6. Okay ना, इसको convert किया. Now can you find the resistance between A and B? Yes, we can take this and this in series, this and this in series, then this combination and this combination in parallel, then this one, this entire combination, and 2 by 6 coming in series. That is the resistance between A and B. Okay. Okay. So let's see the next one. थर्ड वन, अभी ये देखो इसको कैसे करेंगे? फाइंड द रेजिस्टेंस बिटवीन ए एंड बी. कुछ समझ आ रहा है? ए एंड बी, दिस वन इज देयर, आर आर एंड ओके. ये तो मैंने बाहर वाले रेजिस्टेंसेस वी आर कीपिंग एज इट इज. ये जो अंदर वाला डेल्टा है, ये जो स्टार है अंदर वाला, दिस इज ओ, this is A, this is B, I name it C. So this is OA, OB and OC. This OA, OB and OC. I want to convert this into a, ये जो अंदर वाला है ना, ये अंदर वाला ये, इसको I want to convert this into a star, delta. Star है ना ये. So delta branches will be AB, AC and C. So what is this AB? अच्छा, एक टेक्निक बताती हूँ. Each resistance is how much? 2R, 2R and 2R, है ना? This is all star branches. 2R, 2R, 2R. If I draw a simple एक चीज में, if I draw if I say कोई भी चीज अगर मैं एक्चुअली में इरेज करती हूँ तो उसमें टाइम लग जाता है. यहाँ बताते हैं. if I say this is a star and each resistance is R, and if I say this is a delta, स्टार में सारे रेजिस्टेंसेस इक्वल वैल्यूज के हैं, और इस स्टार को मैं अगर डेल्टा में कन्वर्ट करती हूँ, सो तुम्हें फिजिकल डायमेंशन देखने में स्टार बड़ा लगता है या डेल्टा बड़ा लगता है डायमेंशन वाइज? चैट बॉक्स में लिखोगे। इफ आई से एक स्टार बनाते हैं और एक डेल्टा बनाते हैं, इफ आई मेक दिस स्टार and if I make a delta out of this star, which looks bigger? So don't you find delta, if each is R, so don't you find delta branch looks bigger than star? ऐसे भी बड़ी लगती है ना ये ब्रांच तो बड़ी लग रही है ना, A, B and C, O. So ऐसे ये A भी बड़ी लगती है ना. So हमेशा याद रखो, if each resistance is R, then each resistance in delta is 3R. वो 3 times हो जाती है. If I have each resistance of 6, and if I want to convert this into a star, अभी मैंने बताया था ना, स्टार से डेल्टा में जाएंगे तो 3 times हो जाएगा, इक्वल है तो, और अगर डेल्टा से स्टार में आएंगे तो 1/3. ओके, स्टार छोटा लग रहा है ना, डेल्टा इज लुकिंग बिगर. सो ये अगर 2 है, 2 2 2 है, तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? 6 6 6. इफ इट इज 6 6 6, देन इट बिकम्स 2 2 2. इसी का एडवांटेज लेते हुए वी आर गोइंग टू मेक वन न्यूमेरिकल. ये हमारा न्यूमेरिकल ऐसे है. इफ यू लुक एट दिस न्यूमेरिकल, ये वाला न्यूमेरिकल देखो, ये वाला न्यूमेरिकल 2 2 2R 2R 2R, तो इसको हम कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे 2R 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 के स्टार को, then convert this into a delta. ठीक है, so let us redraw. जल्दी से क्विकली एक डायग्राम ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. See, 2R 2R 2R. So what I have, A will remain as it is, B will remain as it is, this R will remain as it is, this will remain as it is, and this will remain as it is. I will name it as C. Outer one. Inner star, जो है ना, OA, OB, OC. I want to convert this into a delta, and each star has each branches to R to R to R. So if I convert this into a delta, which delta we are converting? OA, OB, and OC. I am converting into the star as AB, BC, and CA. Okay, what is AB? Each branch, ये सब 2R 2R है, तो ये कितना हो गया? 6R 6R 6R. So this is 6R, this is 6R, and this is 6R. Is it? So what is the resistance between A and B? 6R and R in parallel. This is 6R into R upon 7R. This is combination is 6 upon 7R. This combination is 6 upon 7R. This 6 upon 7R and this 6 upon 7R is in series. Then this 12R upon 12 upon 7R, and this 6 upon 7R is in parallel. So can you find this resistance A and B? Yes. Similar, in the similar line, look at this numerical. इसमें ऐसा नहीं है, इसमें हमने सब different लिए हैं. So you have to convert this star. What is the resistance? Resistance between, this is different numerical. देखो, look at this numerical. What is to be calculated? See, फाइंड द रेजिस्टेंस बिटवीन ए एंड बी, ये यहाँ पे निकालना है. सो यू कैन नॉट टच दिस, ए एंड बी हमको मेंटेन करके रखना है, इसको नहीं टच करेंगे. फिर हम कहाँ से, हम यहाँ से स्टार्ट कर लेंगे, बिकॉज ए बी के अलावा अदर देन ए एंड बी यू कैन टच एनी ब्रांच. वी कैन हैव एक्स वाई, एक्स बी एंड एक्स ए. ये तो किसी काम का नहीं है. एक्स वाई, एक्स ए, एक्स बी, कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू अ डेल्टा. ये स्टार है ना, वाई बी, बी ए एंड ए वाई बी. So which three branches you will be losing? These three you will be losing. Which three you are gaining? One you are getting across YB, मतलब one extra you will get here. BA, one you will get here, and AY, one you will get here. See what diagram? What is the diagram? A and B. देखो ऐसा diagram हो गया. These two will come in parallel. These two will come in parallel. This combination and this combination will come in series. These two will come in parallel. Then this combination and this will come in parallel. Because you cannot convert this in a direct star. हमें maintain करना है. ये वाला numerical देखो. Please look at this diagram. It looks as if it's a jungle. Hedging hedge. No, but it's a damn simple numerical. Can you find current delivered by the source? जो मैंने अभी highlight किया ना उस पे बताना है. Can you find the current delivered by source? मतलब I current. अभी क्या करना है? ये सबको simplify करना है. Okay? इतना simple है ये, देखो जरा. Just see. Can you tell me the equivalent of the part of the circuit which I have encircled? और बहुत सिंपल फॉर्म में देखो, ऐसा लग रहा है ना ये कुछ स्टार डेल्टा है, ये तो बहुत सिंपल है. देखो सी 2 and 2 4, this 4 and this 4 parallel 2, this 2 and 2 4, this 4 and this parallel 2, this 2 and this 2 4, this 4 and this 4 2, this 2 and this 1. ओके, यहाँ पे कोई कुछ ही नहीं है, ये दोनों सीरीज है. This 2 and this 1 3, this 3 and this 3 parallel 1.5. Is it? So please keep on drawing this circuit and you will get this very easily. ये बहुत easy numerical है. Just go for series and parallel. इस सबका एक single resistance आ जाएगा. Okay. Look at this one. Okay, look at this one. जल्दी से इसमें देखो. I don't know whether this diagram is बड़ा कर देती हूँ। हाँ, अभी देखो। Find the resistance between A and B. Here. Can you find the resistance between A and B? अरे Can you find the resistance between A and B? Again, this is only series and parallel. Some series parallel and last में एक आ जाएगा star delta. Can you find can we find some series parallel star delta or something A and B मतलब ये नहीं हम टच करेंगे. This we will keep as it is. So you find ये हमारा बिल्कुल बेकार है. If I say this is A, this is B, है ना? This is B and this is C. ये A B को हम टच नहीं करेंगे because this has to be maintained. Let us see some other star delta. Can we have this D A, D B and D C? ये तो star है. D A, D B and D C. Convert this into a delta. This is A B, B C and C A. A B, B C and C A. Okay. So which three branches we are losing? We are losing D A, we are losing D B and we are losing D C. Cut लगाया हुआ line को we are losing. Which we are getting after converting A B. You are getting A B. You are getting B C and you are getting C A. Is it? So what the circuit becomes? This is A and B, which will remain as 2R. And this you get after conversion. Calculate तो कर सकते हैं. नहीं Then BC. This is BC. And 1 BC you get after conversion. Then A and this is A, B. This is B and this is A. अभी कौन सा बच गया? ये AC. ये dotted है conversion के बाद. So now can you find the resistance between A and B? अभी C की कोई value नहीं है. So what we do? These two will come in parallel. Then this and this because C is not important. So these two will come in parallel. This come in this one and this will come in series. And then this and this once again. This can be combined. This is A and this is B. And these two can be combined. These two can be combined. And these two and this will remain as it is. C की कोई value नहीं है. So can you take these two together? Yes. Then this is A. This is B. और ये क्या है? ये दो अभी दोनों को combine कर लेंगे. Then it becomes this. Then you can find the resistance between A and B. इनको combine करो. फिर ये इसके series में लो. Then it becomes a single resistance. These two you combine. Then you can find the resistance between A and B. So these are the so let me give you the summary which we did today. This is a source transformation. Then We did lots of star delta transformation. Please remember the formula. I have already sent all these PPTs. You can try. And this was the last one. So we are going to stop at 37. 38 in culture. So please note it in your notebook. We have finished till 37. Okay. Now we'll meet on. You have 2 days holidays. So what you have to finish? अभी क्या क्या finish करना है? So what you have to finish? You have to finish numericals on series and parallel. तो हमने last time किए थे. You have to do source transformation and you have to do star delta. Okay. इसमें से at least we are expecting 10 marks. Out of 80, 10 marks numerical will be coming. ठीक है? So all these type of numericals see. ये सब तो हमने किए हुए हैं. See, all these we did. Source transformation. देखो ये न्यूमेरिकल मेरा लास्ट में सब एक ही बार में इरेज हो जाएगा. Okay, this one, this numerical, and numerical करना है, so you have to maintain a register. एक रजिस्टर में सब मेंटेन करना है, तो I want to see all these in one register. ठीक है? If you want, you can write PPT number, but you should write it very neatly in your register, because that will be used for your exam. Exam तो देना है ना? So we will meet on Tuesday. Okay, so we can wind up now. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Check. Okay, bye bye and take care. Please study. I don't want any student to. I don't want any student that he didn't understand. I want each one of you to understand, because it's a very, very special situation all of us are dealing with. And if everything was all right, this was a time we were going to meet in physical classroom. We were supposed to meet from 15th Feb, then we were supposed to meet after 20th Feb. But looking at the health point of view of everyone, so we'll be sitting at home, never mind. I'll be teaching as much as required for your class. Okay, so you can leave now. We'll meet soon. Huh? Attendance you can fill in the same link. That link I have posted in the group, na? Attendance link. Attendance अपने क्लास के लिंक में ही भरना है. वो अटेंडेंस लिंक तो फिक्स है. ए डिवीजन ए के लिंक में भरेगा और बी के लिंक में भरेगा. वो लिंक में मत कंफ्यूज हो जाओ. ठीक है? All of you listening, no? Link for attendance is same. I'll be posting once again. Okay, चलो, bye bye and take care.